Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change Microsoft Outlook to dark mode. Okay, so for this you have to go for your Outlook. Now you have to go for File, and when you are in this page you have to go for Options. Now you can see there are so many options over here. You have to select on General, which is selected already. Okay, now you have to go for office theme over here, and you can see there are three options: white, light gray and dark gray. You can choose any of it as your choice. So you can choose this dark gray, and after that you can click on OK. So this is how you can change Microsoft Outlook to dark mode. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.